locked out of your Chase account, or seeing unexpected charges. Don't worry, we're going to walk through the essential steps to troubleshoot your Chase banking issues. First things first, open your Chase mobile app or log into your account on a computer. This allows you to access crucial information like your current balance. Carefully review your recent transaction history. Are there any unfamiliar merchants or amounts? Identifying these discrepancies is the first step in flagging potential fraud or errors. If you spot anything suspicious or have a question about a transaction, your best bet is contacting Chase customer service directly. You can find their contact information on the Chase website or within the mobile app. When you call, be prepared to provide your account information and clearly explain your issue. This will help the representative quickly understand the situation and assist you effectively. If you're locked out of your account, use the Forgot Username, Password option. Follow the on-screen prompts, which usually include verifying your identity through email or phone. As a security precaution, after resolving any issues, consider changing your password to something strong and unique. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. And that's it. By checking your balance and transaction history and proactively contacting Chase customer service, you can tackle most common banking problems hidden.